Welcome to Sean Air. Today, I'll be showing you a video description of how to refurbish your Bose A20 aviation headset. Let's jump right into it. I ordered some replacement ear cushions online. Many vendors sell the product for a variety of prices. The first step is to remove your old ear cushion by pinching from deep within, then dragging it off its molding. Unbox your replacement pads and loosen them up slightly. Identify the thin lip that protrudes from the mounting surface. You'll be wrapping the cushion flap around this lip in order to install. The best way to attach the replacement cushions is to line up a small segment of the cushion flap onto the hard plastic lip on the headset. Once a small amount of the flap is in track, work your way around the perimeter of the earpiece to secure the remaining portions of the flap inside the molding. Don't be afraid to stretch the new ear pad piece. It is quite flexible. Full disclosure, it took me about 5 minutes of fidgeting per earpiece before I had the piece in its proper place. That's maybe what the other videos won't tell you. While frustrating for those 5 minutes, a fresh ear pad forms a tighter seal over the ear and reduces fatigue in flight from noise pollution. It may seem small now, but you're actually helping yourself in the future. Success! One down, another to go. Repeat the same process on the opposite earpiece. Again, be patient and try a few new angles that allow you to get the first bit of flap into its track. Lastly, as a bonus, you should probably replace that nasty old microphone windscreen. It's a pretty straightforward process. First, take off the old windscreen. Slide the replacement rubber band onto the boom arm, then add the new windscreen and stretch its length down to the neck of the microphone case. With a firm grip or by using a small tool like a pin or screwdriver, stretch out the rubber band to hold down the new windscreen on the microphone neck. All set. Enjoy your headset with new life and get back out to flying.